Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm Karunya Rao and you've tuned into Moneycontrol. I'm here to give you a midday mood check for the markets. Now, clearly it hasn't been a very encouraging day as far as today's trading session goes. The global handover extremely weak, extremely cautious, and that's exactly how the Indian markets also responded to what happened to Wall Street overnight and then again early in the morning as far as the Asia markets are concerned. Now, we're looking at a weak market, as I said right now. Nifty has given up around more than 100 points as we speak. In fact, it did fall below that important, crucial psychological mark of 18,000 as well earlier on in the trading session. But the good thing is, or the silver lining here is that it managed to claw back that level once again. It's trading just above that 18,000 mark as we speak. As far as Sensex is concerned, that also has given up more than 290 points actually as we speak. As far as sectoral performers go, all the sectoral indices are firmly in the red as we speak, with the top losers being from the FMCG space. Nifty FMCG down 0.9%. Nifty Auto is also down 0.9% as we speak. Nifty Realty, again, one of the top sectoral laggards in today's trading session. It has slipped more than 1% actually. In fact, in the last half an hour, 15 minutes or so, we've seen the markets actually get a tad more jittery, while like I said, we have sort of clawed up from the day's low, but we still are in a slightly cautious territory as we speak. Now, as far as Nifty 50 is concerned, there are just 7 stocks out of those 50 names which are in the green, which are bucking the trend, and those are ONGC, Bharti Airtel, SBI and Tata Steel. Some other names like HCL Tech, Infi completely flat as we speak, but yes, marginally in the green. On the other end, you have a long list of losers and laggards in today's trading session. From the heavyweight index, in fact, you have a Hindalco which is down 2%, Tata Consumer, one of the top laggards, down almost 2%. So is Tata Motors, Ultratech Cement, Apollo Hospitals, all of them have lost 2% as we speak. There's also Grasim, Britannia, Titan. Like I said, lot of names from the consumer and FMCG space which are sulking away, pulling the markets lower, putting a fair amount of pressure. Now, if we talk about individual stocks, of course, the first one I want to flag off is KFin Technologies. Big day for the company. They've made their debut on the buses today. They got listed today. However, because of the overall mood of the market, it has been a lackluster, flat debut. In fact, the stock debuted at, or rather got listed on the exchanges at 369 rupees a piece. And even right now, it is in that range, pretty much trading listless. Slightly above the listing price actually, 371 with a gain of 1.4%. That's the one update for KFin Technologies. Apart from that, you have the likes of Ashoka Buildcon, which was in fact gaining in the early part of the session. Let me take a quick look at how it's doing right now, because in the early part of the session, it was a clear outperformer. It still is in the green, so at least managing to buck the trend in the overall market, whether it's the mid cap or the small cap universe, the broader markets, of course, also sulking in trade, keeping in line with the overall mood of the market. Yeah, so Ashoka Buildcon, they bagged an order worth 775 crore rupees, and that's what is reflecting on the stock price. Some amount of optimism coming by there. Now, the order that they've received is from Madhya Pradesh Kshetra Vidyut Vitran. The stock, in fact, they also hit an intraday high of close to 92 rupees, rising as much as 4%. But right now, like I said, because the markets have gotten a tad bit weaker from the day's highest point, if I can call it that, this is what it is. Then you also have the likes of Spandana Spurti, again bucking the trend. The share is rallying after the sale of a 323 crore rupees stressed asset loan to an ARC. So Spandana Spurti, again another name from the broader markets that's bucking the trend quite handsomely actually, if you ask me. Dr. Reddy is also one of the outliers today. But I think Dr. Reddy's has sort of seen a reversal in the stock price. Yeah, right now it's down about 0.4%. But again, an important stock in news. The stock actually reacted positively after US dismissed claims against Revlimid, also known as lenalidomide. It's an oral drug which is used for the treatment of multiple myeloma or blood cancer. Then you also have the likes of Tata Power, which was again in the news, but then in line with the market momentum, it has given up those that momentum. They received an LOA to set up a 255 megawatt hybrid power project in Karnataka. But again, largely listless for this one as we speak. So yeah, guys, these are the top stocks in news. A handful of movers, not really a top list of movers, but a handful of movers, a handful of names that are bucking the trend. That's all we got in the midday mood check for today. Thank you so much for tuning in.